from Google Drive, you're going to go to the left-hand side where it says My Drive, and you should see an arrow to the left of it. We're going to click on the down arrow, and you're going to look for class. We're going to look for a folder named Classroom. Next, you're going to find the folder that says your class name. So we're going to click into the folder, and here you'll see all of your work. So if you ever can't find something, all you have to do is go into this folder and look for your work, or go into Recent. Next, we're going to create a new folder by going up to the upper left-hand corner. Under where it says Drive, there's a little button that says New with a plus. When you click on that, you get a drop-down, and the very top one is Folder. You're going to select that, and you're going to name it with your first name, last initial, and the class name. And then hit Create, and you'll see that it was created inside your Classroom folder. So if you expand your Classroom folder and then go down to the class and expand the class, you should see the name of that folder. To share the folder, we click on it. You can either right-click and go down to Share, or with it selected, you could go up to the upper right to the little person icon with the plus sign. You're going to click Share,
type in an email address, and hit Send.